comes the follow-up 621. You're going to be exploring Depth 2. The sector's made up of a sprawling rail network designed to transport resources. It'll be a complex route, with a lot of blind spots. Be ready for close quarters combat.
Raven, there's something you should know. I've obtained the comms log from the Balaam squad that went in before you. It looks like they have another mission here, and it's not part of their survey. Guard mechs won't be the only threat. Balaam's agenda is just as dangerous.
Just so you know, 621, my radar won't be able to reach the lower depths. You'll have to trust your eyes and ears.
Main system, activating combat mode.
Let's go, Raven. This is where the survey begins in earnest. The route continues past this partition. Looks like the power's out. Let's find a way to bring it back online. An ambush!
Been waiting for you, Raven! You're gonna die, traitor!
Sounds like you found Balaam's MTs. Eliminate them, 621.
Control panel identified. This should get the power back online. Let's take it back up to the upper level. The partition should open now. See if you can get access. The heat exchanger section's up ahead. This is around where the comms log for Balaam's advanced squad cuts off. It seems we're alone. Raven, ambush!
You must be Raven. Yes, you do feel rather instrumental. I see why boy also couldn't be here. What? Is that okay? I'd hope to carry you back in one piece, the muzzle and the lads. But it's
One repair kit remaining.
it comes. The inevitable.
AC dead sled destroyed. Cold call won't be a danger to you anymore. Iguazu. We even tried sending an assassin after you.
Defense program phase towards 0. Intruder identified. Threat level 7.
What was that? Raven, watch out. That weapon must be guarding the steps. Let's see what data I can find.
Defense program phase 2.5. Intruder proximity to critical sector confirmed.
Looks like we're not far from the terminus. Let's find the control room. We'll hack the systems and get the partitions open. Raven, let's look for a ventilation duct. We're underground. We must be on somewhere. Coral has an instinct to gather together. And it seems... Ventilation duct identified. Looks like it's connected to the control room. We're in the control room. Now let's find an access point. Partitions and the elevators back online. The defense system is onto us. We should be able to proceed.
Seems like smooth sailing, 621. As if you hardly need help from me, but you get so good at exploring.
Be careful, Raven.
Intruder detected in closed sector. Defense program phase 3.0. Switching to termination mode. Terminating target.
Enemy analysis complete. That's the Enforcer, an AI-controlled prototype developed by the PCA. It was designed to detect unwatchable systems and eliminate any intruders. Down here.
Repair kits remaining. One repair kit remaining.
Phase 3.5. Release time. Reconfiguring energy draw and maximum balance for all activators. Terminating computer. Rest priority closure.
Confirmed. Enemy unit is silent. Walter should have some data on the next sector. Let's take a break for now, Raven.